Ochala bw'okwanjula n'embaga.
What if I told you it was all meant to be? Would you believe me? Would you agree? It's almost that feeling that we've met before. So tell me that you don't think I'm crazy when I tell you love has come here and now. A moment like this, some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people search forever for that one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. For a moment like this. Oh yeah, for that one special kiss. I can't believe it's happening to me.
I'm sorry for my English. My English is not so good, but I try. Dear Rebecca and Peter, family and friends. When you asked us to go to Uganda for the wedding a couple of months ago, it was quite a decision for us. After all, we have never been so far from home. And certainly not to Africa. Now that we are here and see how hospitality and friendly the Ugandan people are, we feel more than welcome here. Yeah! We have therefore not regretted that we went us to this beautiful country. It's really beautiful. It's a pity that our sisters Ina and Joka, who are not here, that has made so the family complete. We get the feeling that we have a new family here in Uganda. Yeah. After all, as you say, we become all brothers and sisters.
Well, we're now going to hear from the friends of Rebecca. And Pearl is going to come and speak on their behalf. Pearl, you have my permission to unleash all the juicy details. It's too late for Peter to change his mind. He already said I do, so feel absolutely free. Ladies and gentlemen, Pearl.
There's no juice. It's all, no, but Peter, Becky, congratulations. I haven't known Becky for a long time. I mean, by long, it's not like 15 years or 20 years. But as soon as I knew her, I met her. We met on social media through a friend, through an acquaintance. And from the moment I saw her, I just knew how special she is. We really clicked immediately that night. And since then, we've shared a lot. We've shared the highs, the lows. She's someone I call up at 4 a.m. and she's surprisingly up and she will answer me and the same way. But they're a love story. So I knew Becky before Peter. And I will never forget when Becky called me and told me about Peter. It was, she said she'd found her man. She really had. I was so excited. We were giggling and very giddy, and she knew. And I knew, you know, when I met Peter a few months later with my husband, we knew how special their love is. I see it every day. I've seen it blossom. I've seen it ride the highs, the lows. Buliwamu, Baba Deo. And in such a short time, their love was sealed.
You stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. The only one that stole my heart away. Yeah. You stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. The only one that stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. The only one stole my heart away. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. Yeah. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Hey, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees and me. I've got the sweetest song that the birds could ever sing. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees and me. I got the sweetest song that the birds could ever sing. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. Well, I guess.
Hey, Petero. Ah, Peter is dancing to the words of the song. Peter is dancing to the words, not the beat. Ha! Nibasenga bavuddeyo ekiri wano. Hey! Omugalo! Hey! This is how we do it in Uganda. Yeah. Dance. Even mother of the bride has made her way on the dance floor. Oh, bugalo, 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 bugalo. Banaya kalulu. Father of the bride on the dance floor. It's Chiniwano. Hey. My father is cooler than yours. Okay. Come on. Dance floor. Giddy body, yeah. Oh, you're not stop pretending. You don't even have data. Just come and dance. Oh, yeah, now you're pretending to be on the phone. You don't even have data. You don't even have data. Just come and dance. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Corner dance. Rebecca is making her way here also. Peter and Rebecca, make your way to the dance floor. Mulagawa Nenda, stay on the dance floor. Katani Kabutandi, see. Aya. Barese ya Muchuba. Hey. Come on. Walidu Dawa. Peter and Rebecca, we want you on the dance floor. Please bring me the bride and the groom. Even the cameramen have said abange. Vibe zitutwala.
Tunalingana, nina wewe tunafanana. Tunaelewana, nina wewe hatutoachana. Baby wange sutako, onkubisa ndulu. Teka mwechiti jimpekako. Baby wange sutako, onkubisa ndulu. Teka mwechiti jimpekako. Naomba unipoze lo.
Avocado.
Nikikumisi wangu kwangu ni so. Moyo wangu nakuita njoo.
Give it up for Eric and Paul Kasuja.
Ukisonga nikasonga penzi litakologa na kweli litanoga. Katinja galana lo, boyeza lavunga kalo. Bambintwala silo, jagala konfuno tulo.
Bana yenyo nonya ya kalulu. Hey, the man of God has swagger. Hey, Abagi. Hey, we are about to collect offertory. Banang, Chiriwano. Lazarus, leta ya kambo. Hey, is your pastor cooler than mine? Hey! Oh, we got it! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the bridal party and the pastor. You can now dance your way back to your seats. Abange. Banage. Chiniwano. Abange. Hey! Hey!
Oh nee, wat is dit nou?
Wat zie je?
Het gevoel met iets te vergelijken. Ik weet
Bijna, dit ben je aan het denken hier.
mij al kent. Dus zeg me nou, ik kan jou bereiken.
Aha.
Ben je nog vrij?
Hey.
Zie je iets in mij? Ik vraag je, ben je nog vrij?
Ah,
Dan naam en een nummer voor mij. Schatje, mag ik je foto? Heb je een foto voor mij? Schatje, mag ik je foto? En doe er ook een nummer bij. Schatje, mag ik je foto? Heb je een foto voor mij?
The love that we found. 'Cause I never knew love like you show me. You see me, you know me like no one else. When I found you, I found my safety, and I let it change me and open my world. When I found you.
Mukwano gwange laba Delta TV programu yaffe bwetyo bewedde wabula tesobola kuggwa nga likutuusizaako akalowoozo kaffe olunaku olwaleero era nga akalowoozo kaffe olunaku olwaleero kakwatagana kubeera nti no oyogera ekikuluma ebiseera ebisinga ekireetera abantu okwawukana kwe kusigaza ekintu ku mutima n'otakyogera bannange yogera ekikuluma bw'oyogera ekikuluma first of all ekisookera ddala okakkana ate bw'okyogera omanya ekituufu bwoleka ekintu ku mutima buli kiseera kyeyongerako ne kyeyongerako genda okakana munnange omukwano gwo nga gufudde oba amaka go nga gafudde akati n'omwami yogera ekikuli ku mutima nga kikuluma munno kimugambe ate naawe omukyala omwami w'omugambe ekikuluma ate bw'obeera okyogera kyogere mu ngeri ennungi tokyogera mu ngeri yakubogoka kubanga waliwo engeri eyo ey'okubogoka egoba omuntu n'emutiisa nagamba ndaba era nakikoze ekijja kijje naye yogera bulungi ogambe nno mukwano waliwo ekinnuma kakati ekisinga okunnuma kiri bwe kiti ne bwe kiti kakati nze luli nawulira nga bagamba kino bwe kiti ne bwe kiti ne luli nempulira kino bwe kiti luli wakola kino na kino luli Colgate wamunyiga bubi wamunyigira mu makkati olina kumunyiga ng'atandikira eno akintu ekyo kiruma omuntu anyiga obubi Colgate okitegeera n'okyogera bw'okyogera mu ngeri ennungi ne muno naye naakunyonyola kuba ebiseera ebisinga bw'osirika n'oleka ekintu ku mutima oyinza okulowooza nti no kituufu ng'ate si kituufu naye bw'omuwa chansi neyonyonyolako omutima gwe gutowolokuka ate naye n'amanya nti gundi bambi anjagala kyavudde aŋŋamba ekintu abantu abatoogera kintu ku mutima abatakyakwagala agamba luli bolonja genda yakola kino n'akola ne kino n'akola ne kino n'atabyogera bw'oyogera ekiri ku mutima eri omwagalwawo okukyolaba nti no nti tekikuyisiza bulungi kijja bayamba okusigala nga mubeerawo kubanga munnange ate oyagala mwawukane olowooza ye munaayawukana onaafunayo ali perfect bonna bonna tebaliiyo abali perfect olina kwogera kikuli ku mutima n'otakisirikira abantu abasirikira ebintu ku mutima beba bakola bannaabwe ebikyamu anti buli lunaku ayongerako n'ayongerako olugira ng'akoze munne ekikyamu ate bw'onaamukola ekikyamu naawe obulamu bwe ojja kubeera ng'obwonoonye okitegeera yogera ekikuli ku mutima omwagalwa wakimanye ate naye bakigamba n'olaba nti nsobi kiriza nti nsobi yo weetonde omale obiveeko ate naye bw'omusonyiwa tomujjukiza buli kiseera nti luli kyali bwe kiti luli kyali bwe kiti nedda tomujjukiza ebyo biveeko obulamu buliwo okubeera ng'emitima gyaffe tegizitowa nkitegeera muno mugambe ekikuluma manya gange nze freshest nakawere Sharita mazima wanvu era nga programu ya Kwanjula Nambaga ebeera ku Delta TV buli lwa Sunday sawa zibeera 11 mpaka 1 nedibwa mu remande sawa zibeera 3 mpaka 5 bwe bagisubiddwa wonna osobola ogiraba ku YouTube Sharita Show kuliko emikolo gyonna gyonna gye twali tukulaze buli gwe wali omiisinze kwe guli ku YouTube ku Sharita Show nkwagala nnyo nkoze ne Shafik waliwo ne Guy wanayimiridde ayambadde headphones awulira eddoboozi lyange bamuyita nsereko atakumira mpeera mukwana kunkumire nkwagala nnyo tulindiridde okukwata omukolo gwe tukulage ku yo #1 TV station Delta TV tukole bye bye
Ndaira sirimba lero bino byenjogera byakumoyo tobola omutima gwange munda kwegukubira nze ne kuntujja mukwano leero njagala otegere nti wampamba wotoli serious